Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 19. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So this is going to cut the plastic first. Serial number is a little bit hard to see. So there's a serial number NE189818225. Let's get on with the break. The decoy. Start off with a base card for the Devils of Zach Parise, number 134 out of 199 for the Devils. And we have a private signings hit for the Coyotes of Ilya Bryzgalov. That card goes to Phoenix. We have a nice hit here. Nice looking patch for the Columbus Blue Jackets of John Moore, number 81 out of 199. Nice hit for the Blue Jackets. Up next, we have an autographed patches card of Daniel Sedin, card number 94. That card goes to Vancouver. And we have a nice hit for the Predators. It's a 4-quad jersey card. Shea Weber, Craig Smith, Ryan Ellis, and Pekka Rinne. 25 out of 25. Nice hit for Nashville. And we have a beautiful hit, a 1 of 1 laundry tags of Craig Anderson. Nice hit for Ottawa. Laundry tag hit. Beautiful card, 1 of 1. And we have another rookie, a patch auto of Justin Falk, 51 out of 199. Nice looking patch for Carolina. And we have a jersey card of Rafael Diaz, number 75 out of 100. Nice hit for Montreal. And then to finish it off, we have a base card for the Bruins of Patrice Bergeron, 125 out of 199. And there's the decoy. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.